It turned out illegal architects operations we couldn't afford the outrage.
And at this point we're thinking, man, what a terrible start the young man's going to get into.
Systems.
Hang on a minute.
Analog practice.
Because the scorecard says a par 4 already.
Champions are made up for defending champ. What a par. Makes it 6 under and 3 done.